Hey YouTube, this is Dan from DroneTastic. I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured it should be about time that I made something for you guys real quick. I've been out of the scene for a bit. I've been doing some stuff with 3D printing. I bought a couple of Creality CR-10Ss and two Anet A8s. And those of you that have or are considering an Anet A8 should know that there is no power switch on it like the Creality CR-10S has. So without further ado, I've come up with a solution to that power switch problem, which you may or may not agree with, but it was cheap, required no time whatsoever to put together, and works like a charm. Before I show you that though, let me take you over to the world of 3D printing, and I'm going to flip this phone around here. This is my impromptu video. I apologize for the lack of production value this time, but let's take a peek. Right over there, this is the Model Y from Eclipse on Models. I haven't flown it yet. It's got front shock mount that's rubber banded. There are some screws holding some of the parts together. Most of it is surgical tape for the hinge, and everything else is 3D printed and super glue at the joints. This wing has multiple sections. You can see here there's another adhesion tab and another adhesion tab, and these are where the segments of the wing come together. I'll have to post some of those videos later when I get a chance, but there's that. I'm gonna kind of come down over here, and here's my messy work area, but this is a Creality 10S, CR-10S. This is another CR-10S. I prefer these to the Anet A8. They have the power switch on the back. They have a much larger build area, 3x3x4, but let's move on over to the Anet A8s. Now here they are. There's two of them, and again, like I said, it had no switches. Now I could probably have gone around that by buying shorter ones of these, you know, little 4-outlet deals, but it doesn't seem to make sense. These were on Amazon. They were 2 for $10. I couldn't turn that down. Extension cord to the corner over there, and when I want to turn my printer on, there she goes. And there goes my printer. It's ready to go. So, it's quick and dirty. It's fused. So if, there's a surge or whatever, or this whole thing gets too hot, or something shorts out in the system, it'll shut off. It'll provide me the same protection as any other method here. This other one, of course, is on the other side. So, I'm pretty happy with it. I don't have to reach behind and plug anything in anymore. But I thought I'd share that with you guys. Coming up very soon, I'll be building a 90-inch glider out of Dollar Tree foam board, and seeing if I can get that thing in the air with the equipment I bought for the CPAC flight test airplanes. That took the BPAC there, that biplane, but CPAC would be this guy here, the FT Racer, which, was a great plane. It was neat and all that, but I'm thinking now I need to modify those control surfaces on the back to make them a little bit bigger. I do wish this had more control authority than it does for doing loops and whatnot. There just isn't enough surface area to do anything fantastic. So rather than continue rambling, I'd like to thank you for tuning in. Again, if you like what you see and what I'm doing and what I'd like to provide for the community, hit the subscribe button for me, and you'll be kept appraised of new releases. Thanks for your time, and hope to see you guys again soon. Thanks.